Hi there. The DT Toggle Shortcode plugin is a WordPress plugin designed to add jQuery toggle function to your WordPress website through the use of an easy-to-use shortcode. A toggle is an easy way to keep your content looking compact and neat, and is quite useful on pages such as your FAQ pages. If we go across to the original article that I wrote back last year in June, this is creating a toggle shortcode for WordPress using jQuery, and the concept of the article is how to add the script to your website, how to style the shortcode toggle and the actual toggle function itself, and how to implement that on your website without using a WordPress plugin. However, I have created this plugin to simplify adding to websites for people that are not as sure or not as confident with editing the code and where to put the different files, such as where to put the JavaScript and where to put the images and so forth. The plugin is useful for adding to your website. Also, you're more than welcome to use the plugin on your client websites as well once you've purchased it. That purchase allows you to use it as often as you want to. So there is a couple of differences between the information contained in the article about adding it to your WordPress website without a WordPress plugin and how I've actually set up the plugin. In the plugin, I have incorporated a little bonus, which is some schema markup for question and answer. So if you go across to schema.org, that talks about when you have questions and answers on your website, how you can include the microdata or the schema markup so that the search engines can index the content as a question and as an answer. So what I've done in the actual plugin is I've incorporated the schema markup for you. The plugin works pretty much the same as the content in the article. There is a couple of changes. I've unqueued the script into the footer. The styling is much the same. There's a slight change. I've also included a quick tag which allows you to easily insert the shortcode markup onto the page. So I'll show you that. So let's get started by adding the plugin to a website. So I've got a demo website set up. So let's go through to the dashboard and the actual installation process of the plugin. So once you've purchased it, open up your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new, and you're going to upload from your computer. Find the plugin shortcode, and of course the file you're after is the zipped file DT Toggle Shortcode plugin, and then we're going to install that now and activate plugin, and it's just quite that simple. Now you have the DT Toggle Shortcode plugin, shortcode to insert toggle into your WordPress pages and posts, and there is a link to the plugin page on my website. Let's try it out. So we'll add a new post. Latest news at my store. Now the easiest and quickest way to add this shortcode is to use the quick tag that I've added. So what you do is, let's say you've got your page, perhaps you've put some content on the page. Here is some quick information. Okay, so let's add the shortcode. What you do is, at the moment we're in the visual editing mode. Let's switch across to text, and you'll find one called Add Shortcode. And what you want to do is simply work out where you want your shortcode to appear. Okay. So you can see that's just spacing there. So what we're going to do is add toggle. And this is how simple it is to use this toggle. You type your question here inside these talking marks or quotation marks. So that is what appears here. And you choose the color, so whether you want it dark, white, or gray. And then if you want the schema markup, so if it is a question and answer that you're typing into the toggle, then you will want to use schema yes. If this is just a short toggle that maybe perhaps is going to provide some quick information and you want to talk about a service or you want to talk about a product or something else, if it's not actually a question and answer, then what you want to do is simply change that schema to no, so that it doesn't include the question answer markup. Then you type in your answer, okay, or you type in your content. So that's what goes here when you toggle the title. And then that's the closing shortcode. So let's try it out. Welcome back to my website. Just this week we have a great range of new products. Here's some quick information from us. So let's say that this is product A. Okay, and perhaps we want to use the gray color. Now this isn't a question and an answer, so I'm going to choose schema no. So type your answer here. So I'm going to talk about the product. Okay, so switching back across to the visual, you can see that the text there is simply the same as well. Switching to the text allows you to quickly add a toggle. So if you wanted to add another toggle, you'd simply position your cursor where you'd like it and then press again and add toggle. Let's get rid of that one. And let's just preview where we are so far. Preview. So here we have a title. Welcome back to my website. Just this week we've added a great range of new products. Here is some quick information from us. Product A. This new product A will be a great addition to your toolbox as it meets so many needs today out there at the workshop. So when you open the toggle, close the toggle. Looks great. Let's go back across here and let's fix up the spacing a little bit. And let's add a little bit of spacing at the end of our article. And let's preview again. Okay, looks even better now. So there's the toggle. That's the title, or that would be where your question would go. And that's your description or your answer. Okay. Let's add another toggle. So we'll go across the text. Let's position that toggle. Add toggle. This time we're going to have a question. What colors does product A come in? This is the kind of question that someone who is thinking about purchasing a new product might be interested to know. And we might want to make this a little bit different to make it a bit more distinct. We might decide to actually, you know what, we might make the color of the first one dark so that it stands out. And we might make the color of this one gray. Now this is a question, so let's use the schema markup. So this time we'll say schema equals yes rather than schema equals no. Answer. Okay, let's preview how that looks. Okay, so we've got our product A, nice and stand out there, and our toggle for what colors does product A come in. Well, product A comes in a wide range of colors, and our most popular color at the moment are blue and orange. So that looks great. So this is how easy it is to use the toggle. Let's add another toggle. So again, we're in the text mode, and we'll add toggle. We've got another question. This time we might go grey again. And it's a question, so I'm going to say, yep, include the question schema markup. Okay, let's have a look at how this looks. Okay, so we've got product A, a little bit of information, and we've got two questions. What colors does product A come in? And is product A available everywhere? So this is how easily and how quickly you can use the toggle plugin to add toggles to your WordPress website. Now I'd like to show you how the schema markup is working. So the markup for the question and answer. So let's publish this article. And we'll copy the link. And we'll go across here and we'll paste it in to a different browser, one that I'm not logged into. So this time I'm on Chrome, so let's test it out on Chrome as well. So we've got toggle for product A, we've got question for colors, and we've got question for availability. Okay, now I've mentioned that this plugin includes schema markup for question and answer. So let's see this in action. First off, we'll test it on the structured data linter. We'll paste in our URL. So this is latest news at my store. Okay. So what structured data is being extracted? Remember, if we go back to here, we only included the structured markup for question and answer for our two questions, not for product A, but our question what colors and our question for where is it available. Let's have a look. So schema markup for a question. Here's the question of what color does product A come in? And product A comes in a wide range of colors, and our most popular colors at the moment are blue and orange. This is the accepted answer. Okay. Is product A available everywhere? And the accepted answer here, our product A is available in all stores and also now available online. So notice that we only have those two questions marked up for our schema. Let's check it in another structured markup tester. Okay, so here we have a question. What colors does product A come in? And the attached answer, product A comes in a wide range of colors at the moment. Our question, is product A available everywhere? And our answer, product A is available in all stores. So you can see that the structured data testers are showing question and answer for our two questions and answers. Let's check it also, very importantly, in our Google Rich Snippets testing tool, so that we can see how Google will see this markup. Okay, so ignoring authorship because this is a demo site, so there is no authorship attached to the site. Let's have a look at the extracted structured data. Okay, so we have HATM markup included on the page already. Going down a little bit further, schema question. What colors does product A come in? And the accepted answer here is item 1. So item 1, product A comes in a wide range of colors, and our most popular colors at the moment are blue and orange. That looks good. Our second question, is product A available everywhere? Item 2. Item 2, product A is available in all stores and also now online. So you can see that the structured markup is working for question and answer when we use it that way. Going back inside here, what if we were to include this as a question? So let's change the schema markup to yes. And let's update. And let's view our page again. So it doesn't look any different here, but now we've added structured markup to this first one. So you would do this, of course, if this was a question and answer. Let's just pop it into our tester and test it again. Okay, question, product A, answer. This new product A will be a great addition. Okay, so you can see now we have 3 question and answers on the page. So that's how the new plugin works. DT Toggle Shortcode plugin allows you to easily add schema question and answer markup to your shortcode for your toggle on your WordPress pages. So it allows you to easily add the toggle. Comes in a dark color, a grey color, and also in a white color as well. It allows you to easily add the toggle, and it allows you to add the schema question markup so that the search engines will index the content on the page as question and answer when it is appropriate. So I hope you enjoy using the new plugin.